Today's subject is brick walls. Okay, so we're on, in my book it's 120, but it may be a different page in your book. Okay, so we're looking at the size of a brick. This is a common brick, so the measurements are really important for our calculations. So the width of a brick is 110. The length of the brick is 230. And the height of the brick is 76. Now we need to know these calculations when we're working out how many bricks are in a wall. Okay. Now for an average brick, a common brick, we can have 1 metre square has 50 bricks in it. There are 50 bricks per square metre for each skin of brickwork. Now a skin just means a level of brickwork, so usually it is 1 skin, but if you had a double brick house it would be 2 skin. And sometimes when you've got extensions, downstairs has 2 skins to support the upstairs brick wall. Okay, so what we're looking at, we've done, is the number of bricks is area times 50 times the skins of brickwork. Now most of the exercises we'll be doing, or I think all of them today, will be 1 skin. Okay. So we're going to be looking at a wall, and this short wall is known as a dwarf wall. And it's sitting on a concrete footing. So we've done work calculating the spoil for a footing, the concrete for a footing. Now we're doing the brickwork that's sitting on the concrete. I'm just going to turn the page. Now, when you look at your plan view, this line across here is our brickwork, and it's sitting on the footing. So it's represented with section A as our brick wall with the lines going diagonally, and then on our footing. But when you come down for the wall plan, it will look like this. So this wall plan here says 8.6, I'm converting, 5.2, and those figures are including our brickwork. So have a look at the dimensions there. They are really important when you're looking. So our brickwork is showing us it's only going to be 1 skin because it's 110 wide. And we're going to get a question here, a practice question. It says calculate the number of bricks in the dwarf wall. The height of the wall is 600 millimeters. Allow 8% for breakages. So the first step is we have to calculate the length around the wall. Now we have the same problem as we have with the footings. We've got to do into and over method for the center line of the wall. Note that the wall is 110 thick, only 1 skin of brickwork. So we're going to go into, over, A, B, C, D. Then I'm coming up and I'm going to calculate the length of the wall. So when I take off 0.11 of each side, I get a total length of 27.16. So now in this diagram it's showing you each side. There's side A, 8.49, B, 5.01, C is 8.49, and D is 5.01. And then we've got the height of the wall is going to be 600 or 0.6. Now we got that from the question. So now we can do area. So area is going to be the length of the wall times the height of the wall. So my 27.16 that I got up here, bring down my height of the wall that I got from my question, and that gives me the area of the wall. So now we look at the number of bricks. So we got area times 50 times number of skins. So area of the wall, 16.26 times 50, because there are 50 bricks in a metre squared, times 1 skin. I get a figure of 814.8 bricks. Now I can't get part of a brick, so I can round up. I get 815 bricks. And we allow, going back to our question, is 8% for breakages. So then my order is going to be 880 bricks. Now, if you round up, you don't round up here and you round up there at the whole number, you might be 1 brick difference, but we won't worry about that. Okay? All right, so we're going to turn the page, and now we're going to have a look at exercise 1.